Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Ledger Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, SingularityNET. We're currently having a rally in the altcoin market. SingularityNET has rallied up more than 231% in the last 1 month. What's next for SingularityNET in this bear market? What should long-term investors be expecting from SingularityNET? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the SingularityNET US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. Can we continue pumping to higher prices, or are we going to continue dumping down to gobbling town? We have seen SingularityNET get to as high as $0.24 region. Right now, it's currently trading around $0.16. Are we going to continue dumping to gobbling town, giving back our gains to the market, or are we going to start pumping to the high side? We'll also be looking at SingularityNET performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at SingularityNET market cap, which rallied above the $255 million region. Right now, SingularityNET's market cap has dropped to the $200 million region. Are we going to continue dumping to gobbling town? We will be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
SingularityNET started 2023 on a very bright note. AI coin season is currently happening. We're seeing AI coins pump to the moon. SingularityNET is one of those AI coins that has been pumping. It's gone up more than 231% in the last 1 month alone. SingularityNET is a blockchain-powered platform that allows anybody to easily create, share, and monetize AI services thanks to a globally accessible AI marketplace. Through SingularityNET Marketplace, users can borrow, test, and purchase a huge variety of AI services using the platform native utility token AGIX. Moreover, the marketplace represents an outlet AI developers can use to publish and sell their AI tools and easily track their performance. As AI coins have been pumping in the first month of 2023, we have seen SingularityNET go up 232% in the last 1 month alone. Even though it's down 20.9% in the last 1 week, guys, we have seen SingularityNET have a huge bounce of the $0.034 level where it got to in July 2022. We have seen SingularityNET rally up more than 594%. And for a bear market rally, that's very impressive. $1,000 invested in SingularityNET in June 2022 would have returned over $5,900 right now in this relief rally. But we've seen SingularityNET get to as high as that $0.23 level, and we've seen it get rejected off that level. If we take a look at what SingularityNET has done in the past, we had a huge reaction to that level in May 2018. And guys, after we lost that level, we continued dumping to gobbling town. We saw SingularityNET lose an additional 96% of its value. After SingularityNET was launched at the end of the previous bull run, we saw it dump into gobbling town in the bear market, going down around 99.54% from its all-time high. It took around 784 days for SingularityNET to find the bottom, but after that bottom came in, we continued pumping to higher prices, and the previous bull run, SingularityNET returned more than an 8,000% increase to the upside. That means $1,000 invested in SingularityNET should have returned over $82,000 by the end of that bull run. And all this happened in just 540 days. So all coins are very profitable, both to the upside and to the downside. For long-term investors, you want to pay attention to what SingularityNET will be doing by the end of the next bull run. This is a long-term game. If you want to be profitable long-term, you have to remember time is your friend. SingularityNET can get to as high as over $2.83 by the end of the next bull run. But for you to enjoy all those pumps to the upside, you have to be willing to enjoy the dumps of the bear market. You have to be willing to grind through the bear market. We might still see SingularityNET continue pumping to higher prices in this relief rally. There's always a possibility that the rally is not over, and we might even see it pump to as high as the $0.3 level. But guys, ultimately, I'll not be shocked by the end of this rally if we see SingularityNET coming back to dump to gobbling town. If we don't find support at the $0.16 level, there's always a possibility that we might continue dumping, maybe to as low as $0.083 from where SingularityNET is currently trading right now. But that will require us to continue this dump by another 50% to the downside. And with all coins, that can happen very quickly. As we're pumping to the upside, nobody had issues with that. Always remember, after every huge pump we have in the market, there's going to be willing sellers that are going to push prices downwards. And right now, SingularityNET is either taking a chill pill or we have finished the rally and we're dumping to gobbling town. But for a long-term investor, you'll be willing to add to your bags when you see SingularityNET going below that $0.08 region. This will be a very good accumulation region, getting ready for the next bull run. If you take a look at what SingularityNET have done in the past, that has been a very, very good region where it's either we get rejected and continue dumping to gobbling town, or we're getting ready to pump to higher prices. That was a good region to sell your SingularityNET in 2019 because we had one final dump to the downside. That was a good region to buy some SingularityNET as we're pumping to higher prices. Right now in this bear market, will this actually look to prove to be a very good region to have bought SingularityNET? Because guys, if we don't come back to this price point, a lot of people would have been wishing they got some SingularityNET tokens when we're deep in gobbling town from June 2022 till December 2022. There's always going to be opportunities in the market if you want to add more to your moon bag, but you don't want to be FOMOing on those green candles. You don't want to be buying the top when we have already pumped more than 231%. Guys, a lot of millionaires are going to be made by the end of the next bull run, but those millionaires will have to be slowly accumulating in this bear market. They will have to make do of what they have to do in the bear market. Guys, in the bear market, there's a lot of pessimism in the market. In the bear market, all coins would have dumped down to gobbling town. Nobody is willing to risk their capital, but that's the best time to be investing when there's blood on the streets. You want to buy pessimism in the market when we're down in gobbling town, and you want to sell optimism when we return to the upside. Guys, remember, the fact that you're buying these altcoins don't mean that the bottom is in. They can easily dump to gobbling town. With altcoins, volatility is a future, it's not a bug. If you take a look at SingularityNET's performance in the last 1 year, this altcoin has gone from as high as $0.25 to as low as $0.033. With a market cap of $201 million, SingularityNET has a fully diluted market cap of $336 million. The maximum supply of over 2 billion tokens, more than 1.1 billion SingularityNET tokens are in circulation. Rank 148 on CoinMarketCap, over 98,000 people have this altcoin on their watch list. And if you want to get some SingularityNET token for yourself in this bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run, if you believe we'll see this altcoin pumping to new all-time highs, blasting above the $0.6 level, maybe even getting to as high as $2.8 by the end of the next bull run, and you want to get some for yourself, you can get some on Binance, on Qcoin, on LBank, on CoinX, on MEXC, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at SingularityNET's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, at the end of this relief rally, we might see it continue dumping to gobbling town against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. But right now, we're seeing SingularityNET pump to higher prices against Bitcoin. Since when the lows came in for it in June 2022, it has rallied up around 590%. You don't want to get carried away by these pumps to the upside. We're still deep in gobbling town, and all coins are known to be very, very volatile in the bear market. So we might just still see SingularityNET dumping to gobbling town against both Bitcoin and Ethereum after this rally. The symbol for SingularityNET is AGIX, and AGIX against Ethereum has pumped to the upside in this relief rally. But guys, we have just set a new lower high. We may continue dumping to gobbling town, maybe going to set a new lower low. It's the bear market. You expect these stuffs in the bear market. A lot of market participants have seen their altcoins dump to gobbling town in the last 1 year. So any shift in sentiment in the market, any small dump in the market will lead people selling their altcoins for some Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you might see SingularityNET start dumping to gobbling town in the market. Guys, a lot of people that have seen profits of more than 400%, 500% in this relief rally will be willing to sell. It's hard to see those kind of pumps in the market. So when people are lucky to get this kind of 500% pumps to the upside, we'll still have a lot of people trying to sell their tokens for some profit, because if you have been in this market long enough, you know that anything that shoots up very, very quickly will always have a period of time where to dump back to gobbling town. If you take a look at SingularityNET's market cap, which rallied to as high as $250 million, guys, the market cap has dropped to the $200 million region, and we might just continue dumping to gobbling town. But by the end of the next bull run, I believe we'll see SingularityNET's market cap pumping above $1 billion. I believe we'll see the altcoin market going towards $10 trillion. I'll not be shocked if SingularityNET's market cap hits over $2 billion, getting to as high as $2.2 billion. But right now, we've seen the market cap rally from as low as $36 million to as high as $250 million. During the course of the bear market, there's always a possibility we'll either come back to test the $150 million region, or we'll come back to test that $50 million region, guys. Altcoins are very, very dangerous in the bear market, even though we like altcoins, because in the bull run, they can recover all the losses in the made in the bear market, even going to set new all-time highs. But you really want to be very, very careful with altcoins in the bear market. So drop your thoughts about AGIX in the comment section. Tell me, do you think this altcoins market cap can get above $2 billion by the end of the next bull run? Are you still accumulating some right now in your moon bag, getting ready for the next bull run? Do you think we'll come to the end of the relief rally for AGIX? Do you think we'll continue dumping to Goblin Town, or are we just cooling off before we continue pumping to higher prices, probably to new all-time highs? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Always remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1.